Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 5th of class 6th. Chapter name is separation of substances. So before starting that chapter, beta, I will discuss with you few things like in our daily life we see a different type of mixtures, but we are unaware about it. In this chapter we will read about a different type of mixtures and also the types, how we can separate these type of mixtures, or we can divide that things into pure and impure substances. So first of all I will discuss with you what is mixture. Beta, what is mixture? Actually mixture is a material that contain two or more substances in any proportion. Okay beta, any proportion. So that mixture may consist of two or more substances. That substances are called components of mixture. Okay beta, means the substance present in mixture, whether two or more, that are called component of mixture. Then mixture may be of three types: solid, liquid, or gaseous. Okay, for example, if I take a mixture of sugar and sand, both are solid here. Okay, and if I take an example of a cold drink, there is a mixture of liquid and gas. If I take an example of air, so air is also a mixture of different type of gases. Okay beta. Next thing beta, types of mixture. There are generally two type of mixtures are there: homogeneous and heterogeneous. What are homogeneous mixture? The mixture in which the particle of substance are present but cannot be seen. Means with naked eye we can't see the particle of that mixture. Like if we take that mixture of sugar and water, we cannot see separately sugar in water. And heterogeneous mixture, the mixture in which the particle of mixture can be seen separately, means they have a different boundaries. Like if you mix water and oil, you can see a separate boundary. Even you mix a chalk in water, you can see a different boundaries. So this type of mixture beta, heterogeneous mixture. Next important term beta in this chapter, pure and impure substances. What are pure substances? Beta, pure substances are substances which have definite composition. Means you can say a single substance of definite composition is called pure substance. Example, you can take a pure iron, pure copper, means pure metals you can say. Okay, and in impure substances are generally called mixtures, because in that substances some other substances also present in smaller amount. Okay, so here you can take any example of any mixture. Now come on our topic, what is mixture? Material in which contain two or more substances any proportion are called mixtures. Mixture contain two or more different kind of particles. It may be solid, liquid, or gas. So the various substances present in mixture are called component or consequent of mixtures. For example, mixture of sugar and sand, in that sugar and sand are called consequent of mixture. Okay. Next is classification of mixture. We generally classify the mixture into two types. First one is homogeneous, second is heterogeneous. What are heterogeneous mixture? The beta, heterogeneous mixture are those mixture which are not fully mixable. Okay, the mixture in which the particle of substance present can be seen easily because they are not fully mixable. Okay, So examples of that type of mixture: water in oil, you can easily do at home. You can mix, you can try to mix water in soil, but you will see separate boundaries. Like chalk in water, also you can see different boundaries. Heap of wheat here, wheat is present along with small stones, pieces, husk, and other grains that are also a mixture. Dust in air. So like this way, number of example you can read here. Okay. So next is homogeneous mixture. What are homogeneous mixture? The mixture in which particle of substance present cannot be seen, means they are properly mixed, fully mixed with each other. That are homogeneous mixture. So some homogeneous mixture examples are like solutions of sugar and water, sugar, salt and water. You often see at your home. Cold drinks, syrups that also contain mixture of sugar, color, flavoring agent in water. Same way air is also mixture. You often know about it कि air in atmosphere number of gases, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, they are mixed. So this is a mixture. Next beta, what are pure and impure substances? Pure substance, a single substance of definite composition are called pure substance, like pure iron, pure copper, means in which no impurities are there, no other particles are there. Pure gold, pure oxygen, they are pure substance. So few properties of that pure substance. Pure substance contain particle of only one type. Pure substance has a fixed melting and boiling point. Pure substance has a characteristic taste, color and odor. Okay. Next is impure substance. What are impure substance? In which a substance in which some other substance are also present smaller amount. Okay, means they are not like a pure. They have another material present in it. So they are called impure substance. And the impure substance which present impure substance contains certain impurities. So impurities present in any substance may change one or more properties of that substance. Okay.